Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by listening for hard, distorted peaks that cut off abruptly. Use an oscilloscope or clipping indicator to view waveforms directly. Measure input level and output voltage while playing a test tone at a known level. Confirm the speaker impedance matches amplifier rating and inspect speaker cables for shorts. Check power supply voltages under load to see if rails collapse. Verify gain staging across preamp and power amp to ensure no stage is overdriving the next. Record your findings before adjusting any settings or swapping gear. If you hear clipping during use, reduce gain and master volume immediately. Engage a hardware limiter or compressor to tame transients and protect the amplifier. Switch to higher impedance speakers if the amp is overloaded by low impedance. Inspect and replace any damaged speaker cables or connectors right away. Temporarily reduce equalization boosts, especially at low frequencies that demand heavy current. If possible, switch to buffered input paths to avoid hot signals overdriving the amp stage. Monitor levels continuously until clipping stops and stability returns. For a lasting fix, choose an amplifier with more power headroom than your speakers require. Upgrade the power supply or repair weak rail capacitors that sag under heavy load. Match speaker impedance and configure crossovers to avoid excessive low-frequency current draw. Use professional limiters and compressors in the signal chain for long-term protection. Optimize gain structure at each stage to maintain clean headroom and avoid fatiguing peaks. Schedule preventive maintenance to check connections, capacitors, and thermal performance regularly for reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.